all, I should thank each and every viewer and subscriber of our channel. Today, we are launching our 50th video in our channel. Today is Dasara festival. Here, first of all, happy Dasara to each and every one. On this auspicious Dasara, we are launching the 50th video in our channel. For that, I am so happy. Here in this video, I will ask you some very interesting riddles. For that riddles, I will give you 10 seconds of time. Within that 10 seconds of time, try to solve the riddles. After completion of all riddles, just you comment in the comment section which riddle you liked more. And this video is very interesting. You all watch the total video. If you like the video, share to each and every one. The first riddle is, suppose 1 plus 9 plus 8 is equal to 1, then what can be 2 plus 8 plus 9? Your time starts now. I will explain the answer here very clearly. And the answer for this question is 10. How it is 10? Let us see here. Here I told 1 plus 9 plus 8 is equal to 1. 1 I am writing in words. O-N-E 1 plus 9. N-I-N-E 9 plus 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. Is equal to 1 we got. How we got? You take the first letters of each and every word. O-N-E 1. O-N-E 1 we got. In the same way, what is 2? Plus 8 plus 9 is equal to T-E-N 10. We got 10. The answer for 2 plus 8 plus 9 is 10. Now, let us go for the second riddle. The second riddle is, how can you take 2 from 5 to get 4? Your time starts now. I will reveal the answer for this question. Here, the answer for this question is, how can you take 2 from 5 to get 4? Here, it is very simple. Here, I am taking 5. From 5, we should remove 2. 2 means here 2 letters I am removing so that we get 4. This is the Roman 4 we got here. Now, let us go for the another riddle. The third riddle is, if you had 5 mangoes and 2 bananas in one hand and 2 mangoes and 4 bananas in another hand, what would you have? Your time starts now. The answer is very simple here. You should have very large hands. You should have very large hands to hold these mangoes and bananas. Now, let us go for another riddle. The fourth riddle is, X is an odd number. Take an alphabet away from X and it becomes even. What is that number? Your time starts now. Let me reveal the answer for this question. The answer for this question is 7. Here 7 is a odd number. If you take an alphabet, I am taking one alphabet out so that it will become even. E-V-E-N, even. Now let us go for another riddle. The fifth riddle is, what is the number of the parking space covered by the car in the given figure? Your time starts now. Sometimes we don't need mathematical calculations. Here this figure is having a very simple answer, but here we don't want to use any mathematical calculation. Just I am reversing the figure so that you can understand. And the answer is 7. So by reversing the figure, you can say the question answer is 87. Without reversing, if you are watching the figure from the top, you can also know the answer is 87. Now let us go for another riddle. The next riddle is, there are some benches and some students in a class. If 3 students sit in each bench, 1 student will be left. If 4 students sit in each bench, 1 bench will be left. How many benches and students are there in a class? Your time starts now. The answer of this question I will explain in trial and error method. The answer for this question is number of benches is equal to 5. Number of students is equal to 16. There are 16 students and 5 benches. If you are having 5 benches, here if 3 students are sitting in one bench, 1 student will be left. Just see here, 3 students in the first bench, 3 students in the second bench, 3 students in the third bench, 3 students in the fourth, 3 students in the fifth. There are 15 students sitting and 1 student will be outside. So 16 students are there. If 3 are sitting, 1 student will be left. If 4 are sitting in each bench, here I am taking here 5 benches. If 4 students are sitting in each bench, 1, 2, 3, 4, here 4 students, here also 4 students, here also 4 students. Total 16 students completed. Here 1 bench is totally left. In this way, by the trial and error method, we can solve this solution. This solution can be solved by the pair of linear equations also. That one I will explain in the next videos. In this all riddles, which riddle you liked more out of these 6, just post the question number in the comment section.
If you like this video, share, like, subscribe to my channel.